Okay, this video is about multi-booting with Ubuntu Budgie. I'm going to show how it looks like the GNU GRUB Boot Manager. I found a bug with Ubuntu 18.04. It doesn't show the right order. It doesn't show the right name of the OS. I installed the problem only is with Ubuntu 18.04 and its flavors. I'm gonna play a video showing how it looks like
This video is about my multi-booting guide, and this is video to show how it looks like the Ubuntu MATE or MATE.
Actually, I would say supposed to say Ubuntu Budgie.
I found a bug with Ubuntu that on the top here it's supposed to be showing Ubuntu MATE, but it's showing Ubuntu. I have right now I have 22 operating system installed here, and I have my book here that I know which partition is each operating system. So I will show partition number 27 is Ubuntu. So I have to look for, so if I want to boot to Ubuntu, I go to SDA 27. Here it shows it's supposed to be on the top, but it shows on the bottom. So Ubuntu here, the 27 here, that's the Ubuntu. So I'm gonna boot to Ubuntu. So it's supposed to be every time you install GNU/Linux, the last one to install will be on the top, and then the second one will be in the bottom, the third one will be after, the fourth one will be after. But with the Ubuntu, there is a bug. With the Ubuntu 18.04, there is a bug with the way the installer do the installation, and it's not showing like this. So you can see the logo Ubuntu. So it shows Ubuntu 18.04. That's not wrong, but I will show that when I boot Kubuntu, it's going to show Ubuntu 18.04. So it's supposed to show Kubuntu. So I will boot which 18.04. So I'm going to reboot. I'm going to reboot here. And I'm going to reboot. And my partition here, I'm going to boot to Kubuntu. This is partition number 28. So I'm going to boot to it. So I one is the Kubuntu. Show Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So if you don't know the partition number, you have to write down the partition number in order to know which one you're gonna put. So this is I'm booting to Kubuntu. So as you can see, this is the Kubuntu, so I'm going to restart and I will boot into Ubuntu Ubuntu MATE. I'm going to boot to Ubuntu MATE, which is 29, partition number 29. So Ubuntu MATE is partition number 29. So I'm gonna look for number 29. Ubuntu MATE. Ubuntu MATE. I'm gonna boot into Ubuntu MATE. And then I will boot to the last one that I did installation. Is Ubuntu Budgie. Install is the Boot. So this is the Ubuntu MATE. As you can see, this is Ubuntu MATE. I will reboot. Now the first one, the last OS that I installed is the Ubuntu Budgie. This is the SDA number 30. It's going to show the name Ubuntu. It's supposed to show the name, Ubuntu Budgie. So this is a bug. So I will boot into Ubuntu Budgie. And I will finish this video right side of it. Budgie logo. This is how it looks like, the desktop, the login screen of Ubuntu Budgie. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in. And I will play this video right inside of it. I'm installing each flavor of Ubuntu, and the next one that I'm going to install is going to be Ubuntu Kylin. I'm going to do an introduction of Ubuntu Kylin, and I'm going to show how to download and verify the ISO and create a live USB. So it's going to be with each test environment, each Ubuntu flavor, and I will show how to customize the system, install software, how easy it is to install software, and to get around. So each desktop flavor, each Ubuntu flavor has a very nice interface, easy to use. It's part of the Debian/Ubuntu experience, and with each desktop it has a different layout, and I recommend anyone to use it. So I will finish this video right inside of it.
Okay, so when it boots any of the 18.04 OS, it shows they cannot get the EFI database. I think this is something. I think maybe the bug is related to it. So anyway, I will have a video, lots of video showing how to customize, how to install software, post-installation guide of Ubuntu Budgie. First, I will install all the Ubuntu flavors, and then I will take my time to make a nice video, show how easy it is to use each flavor of Ubuntu, and you decide which one that you want to use. I prefer to use all. I prefer to boot to use Ubuntu Budgie. The next day maybe Ubuntu. Then after Ubuntu MATE. So I like to learn how to use different desktop environments, and I like to multi-boot. So that way, the other way too. The good thing is to multi-boot is because if something happens with one OS, we can boot to the other one. And if you want to troubleshoot if a problem is with the hardware, automatically if the problem with the hardware, if you boot to one OS and you have a problem, you boot to the next one and there's a problem, you boot to the other one, there's a problem, it automatically very fast you can find what the problem is. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and leave comments below. Se você gostou desse vídeo, deixe seus comentários, inscreva-se, compartilhe nas redes sociais, dê um like e vou fazer esses vídeos em português também, mas deixa no comentário abaixo aí se quer ver esse vídeo em português ou alguma coisa assim, que aí eu posso fazer. Até o próximo vídeo. See you in the next video.